After living in Israel for a few years, I realized there's an unspoken rulebook to greetings. In America, we have the usual, hi, how are you doing? In Israel, in the morning, boker tov. When you walk away from the person, yom tov. Even later, erev tov. Even later, laila tov, is the wartime laila shaket. Getting close to Shabbat, from Thursday up through Shabbat itself, Shabbat shalom. Once Shabbat ends, shavua tov. You can say shavua tov from Motzei Shabbat up through all of Sunday. Someone doesn't feel well, targish tov, targishi tov. Someone got a new thing, got a new haircut, titchadesh, titchachi, titchatshu. Someone's going on a trip, nesiya tova. Someone's going on a flight, tisa ne'ima. Someone's having a baby, b'sha tova. Someone's about to deliver that baby, b'yadayim mele'ot. Is the holiday coming? Chag sameach. Insert said holiday. Chanukah sameach, Pesach sameach. And in no circumstance can you walk by someone eating and not hit them with a te'avon, even if you don't know them? If you're looking for even more things to say in Hebrew to Israelis and anything about Israeli culture, then take a look at Rosen School of Hebrew's classes.